So this is our new faucet in this bathroom. It is a 3-hole faucet. Got your cold, your hot, and of course your water comes through there. It's got a pop-up and lockdown drain there. Looks super nice. It's kind of a goldish bronze color. The color is actually called brushed rose gold. I feel like it's a little bit lighter than my video is showing right now, but looks super nice, super elegant. It fits our bathroom really well. Goes well with like a dark wood color. Nice contrast, and yet similar to the handles work easily. Turns on and off super easily. Good stream of water, easy to use that pop-up drain. And it seals everything really well. I like it.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.